Welcome to our channel. Today we how to build e-commerce platforms with Shopify easy tutorial step by step clearly. To start your e-commerce journey, visit shopify.com. Click on the Start Free Trial button. Enter your email address, create a password, and choose a store name. After this, click Create Your Store. You'll be directed to a setup questionnaire. Answer the questions about your business and click Next. Now you'll arrive at your Shopify dashboard. Begin by selecting Online Store from the left-hand menu. Click on Themes to explore your design options. You can choose from free and paid themes available. Once you find a theme you like, click Install to add it to your store. Next, click on Customize to modify the theme settings. Adjust colors, fonts, and layout to suit your brand's identity. Now, let's add your products. From the dashboard, navigate to Products in the left menu. Click on Add Product to begin. Enter product details like title, description, and pricing. Make sure to add high-quality images of your product. Scroll down and set inventory and shipping information. When finished, click Save Product. To set up payment, go to Settings in the bottom left corner. Select Payments to configure your payment options. Enable Shopify Payments or choose other payment processors. Next, set your shipping rates. Return to Settings and select Shipping and Delivery. Add shipping zones and customize your rates accordingly. Now, let's set up your domain. Go to Online Store and select Domains. You can purchase a new domain or connect an existing one. Now it's time to create your store policies. Go to Settings and click on Legal. Generate policies for terms of service, privacy, and refunds. Once you have everything in place, preview your store. Make any final adjustments you want. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.